Baltimore is a great market.
Yeah, it's a good market. It's not a lot of action going on because people are very fragmented. You know, a lot of people are, how should I say, like when they run like a call, Zoom call, it's all about, okay, introduce yourself, then 2 hours later, like, all right, what am I here for? I'm not wasting time.
Yeah.
So I'm getting more efficient and more fluid.
What's your background?
Pharmacist?
You know what I'm asking you? Because 20 years ago, I was a sales director.
Right.
So I was like adapt to speak in front of, 500 people easily.
Right.
I was 21, 22.
Yeah.
So then when I built my business, my tech company,
Right.
I felt myself in front of a computer.
Right.
And I feel over time that I lost the muscle to articulate to the point that I was afraid in front of the camera, afraid to speak in front of the people.
Yeah.
And I was like,
Are
wait
you
a second,
really fast?
this is not
Yeah.
you. This is not you, this is not the kid that, you were speaking in front of people when you were 21.
Right.
So anyway, you know what I started to do? At some point, like a couple of years ago, my son says, Daddy, I want to do a YouTube channel. And I was like, no, I don't like that idea.
I was like, I don't want
I was like overprotecting him, And I told him, okay, let's do something. What if we do a family YouTube channel, and we can start, because I'm traveling a lot,
Right.
and usually I'm traveling for business, and I bring my family with me,
Right.
and then we spend a couple of days, as a family.
Right.
So what if we start recording those moments, and we create, this is Spanish, but we create traveling with the Jimenez.
Right.
So we started to create
It's
content.
fun. Yeah.
But it was fun, it was family
Yeah, and it's
oriented.
also fun, the bonding moment with your son.
And that was the way that I built the muscle again, to
Yeah.
start speaking in front of the camera.
That's actually a good tip, like, because I've always go tour property, take my kids with me. So what I can start doing is just kind of start doing that more, just like document the work, right? When you're doing the work.
Yeah.
Yeah. So like I said, I'm still behind you, but I'm trying to catch up.
But I'm learning from you.
Yeah.
I love what you're doing. And in real estate, what are you focusing on?
So I focus on acquiring houses creatively, single family, but that only had to be like co-living worthy in my market, in my backyard.
And DMV?
Outskirt of DC, not in the city, not in DC, not in Baltimore City, like outskirt. So it's like appreciating market. So
You know that I have a friend, she's in Baltimore, she's doing very well.
yeah.
And she's looking to do co-living in Baltimore
Well,
because
sync her up with me because
I will.
I'm doing it at least once a week. Now I'm a regional leader with the DMV. I'm trying to make some noises because I'm not happy with our leader in my life. So I think I can do better.
yeah, Baltimore is a great market.
Yeah, it's a good market. It's not a lot of action going on because people are very fragmented. You know, a lot of people are, how should I say, like when they run like a call, Zoom call, it's all about, okay, introduce yourself, then 2 hours later, like, all right, what am I here for? I'm not wasting time.
Yeah.
Like, don't spend too much time people introducing us. Just meet up, talk about deal, and making money.
Wow.
Not just like, I don't want to hear, like they say in the end, like, how can we make money freaking together?
Yes,
I don't really care about
Yes.
I mean, that's important, but like spending the majority of time introducing people like losing momentum. So I think that's why they couldn't catch up the momentum. There's always like 10 or less people showing up in the Zoom every time when they have it. I'm like, this is sad. We're in a really good market.
Yeah.
You know?
You know that I have a friend, he started like 5 years ago only. He was doing the bird strategy.
Right.
And he has right now 180 properties, rentals.
There you go.
And he said in Baltimore, and he said, I have a tax problem.
Yeah.
I have a lot of cash flow coming in every month.
Now they need to think about where to dump it.
Now he wants to start in multifamily.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to get into.
Are you doing multifamily as well,
Yes,
right?
I'm trying to get into. I have a couple of people like you told her, we're looking at buying multifamily or mobile home park together. That's where I wanted to be park my money. I mean, I have money, but I just don't want it to be a passive investor anymore. I'm like, if I got money, I want to be
In the operation.
learning it in the operation so I can learn from it. Like, I don't want to just be passive.
So I need you to introduce to her. Her name is
Okay.
Yolanda.
Okay.
she's in Baltimore, and she's doing or she wants to start in multifamily as well.
Okay, let me text you my next event to her. If she's interested, come join my meetup so I can talk to her. Let me
So
see.
you have a meetup?
Yeah,
Shop to meetup?
yes.
Toledo, Ohio. The deals comes to me automatically.
I see.
So when a good deal comes to me, I'll buy it.
Right.
But my efforts right now are in Atlanta.
Okay. Price range?
200, 350. I'm in co-living.
Co-living.
Or are you asking me for multifamily?
Multifamily.
No, multifamily, as long as the economics indicators in the city are good,
Yeah.
I'll buy it.
Cash flow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So right now I'm looking at a deal in Tennessee, 20 plus unit,
Okay.
and it looks very nice. I mean,
Okay.
we're still underwriting it, but
Cool. Which part of Tennessee?
I don't know. I have boots on the ground, and she's the one that brings the deal to me.
Okay.
But the city's Tennessee.
Okay. I see. All right. Cool. Well, good luck.
Yeah.
Keep me in mind. I would love to meet your friend.
Perfect. All right. See you.